The Queen Anne's County Department of Emergency Services are looking for team members who are highly motivated, ready for change, and want to positively impact their community. The only question we have for you is, are you ready to join this award-winning EMS team?
Sure am.
Who's that guy? Yeah, okay.
I'm ready to join. I just got a few questions.
Well, come with me. I love questions. Let's see what we can answer. Welcome to our unit. Step inside and we'll show you around.
Hey there, come on in.
That's right. You can join the EMTs and help save lives right in the field. Hold on.
Ah! Oh my goodness, I think he's awake.
Oh, I think you're right.
Thank goodness for that. So there are many positions available within the EMS division that are both rewarding and carry different responsibilities. You could be an EMT.
Or you could even become a paramedic. As long as you have all the proper certificates, licenses, registrations, and trainings, you could be one too. Paramedic 400 Queen Anne, he's Ocean King.
Oh, what's Ocean King?
Oh, you're fine.
If field work isn't for him, we always need good people in the office to help guide the team.
Got it.
You can always join our animal control.
Animal control gives you the unique opportunity to interact with humans and animals to help provide safety for the community. Plus, you get to meet good friends like my buddy Oscar here. Hey, buddy. Oh, hey, Oscar.
Hey, what are you doing down there? Let me help you up. Come on, we have things to do.
Reviewing plans, visiting job sites, testing fire alarm systems, and ensuring the safety of new construction for the residents and visitors of Queen Anne's County are just a few of the things we do in the Fire Marshal's office.
Hurry, hurry!
Maybe you're ready to join the emergency management team, where we prepare, monitor, and assist for weather like this. Sometimes we have to work events as well, but the work schedule here at the Department of Emergency Services is phenomenal.
Hey, come on in, it's wet out here.
Are you okay? You know, if all that was too much, we have people behind the scenes that work just as hard, and the work is just as rewarding.
You know, the best part of helping to take care of the county is it takes care of us.
And with excellent healthcare and retirement benefits, you can rest assured. Never mind, I'm just going on vacation.
Again?
Yep.
Just going on vacation again? Will, come with me, I have something to show you.
Are you still with us? Good. Then you made it to the most important part. Perhaps you'd like to work in IT. We have a support services division that needs just as much help as the rest of the team.
Okay, are you ready to meet him?
Who?
Only one of your most amazing future leaders. Come on.
Oh, did you tell him about the generous leave time?
Oh my goodness, are you okay? All right, well come on. I want to introduce you to some command staff. They're really great. You're gonna love them. This is my director, Scott Haas.
We're not doing another lip sync video.
No, sir, we're not. Just relax. This one is just a recruitment video.
Well, in that case, if we've answered all the questions, please apply. If not, go to QAC DES.org.